This video is going to be a little bit of a departure from what we've been doing over the last few days, namely because we have to take a little trip back in the time machine. I actually filmed this footage back in July, and I'm just getting around to posting it now. But this is a video where I show you how I installed this ring light above me using 3D printed parts that I designed myself. I have this monitor stand in the background here that's attached to the desk. And on the desk, you can see a lot of the work that we've done so far on the CoinBot, including the hardware and the electronics here. But you can see that this monitor stand is connected to the desk, and the monitor arms stick out both left and right here. And I have another one that's attached to the top of the pole. And I'm going to attach a ring light up here, and that will have a camera pointed down at the desk so that I can do those downward facing videos that you've all been getting a little bit used to. Now, the interesting part about this, I think, is that I need to somehow figure out how to make this ring light attach to a VESA monitor stand up here. And I was really challenged by that. I didn't know exactly how to work that out. But I figure I have a 3D printer, I could actually design something. What I ended up doing was looking at the design of this ring light. And the connection for that is really meant to attach to a light stand, not to a VESA monitor stand. But you can actually take this apart. This comes apart, so you can kind of see the format of that. But now we have to find some way to adapt this connection to the VESA monitor arm connection that's up here. And originally I was thinking about attaching the ring light in some way that it was flat against this somehow, making a 3D printed part that attaches those two pieces together. But since this also has nuts on the back of it, I could remove that, and I figured that I'd come up with some piece that attaches these two things together. Okay, so now that I got that down, you can kind of see what is on the end of the monitor arm here. And now, again, we have to try to figure out some way to attach this ring light to the monitor arm itself. And you can see that they're both male receptacles here, so we have to get a 3D printed part that will attach these two. If you look closely at the side of this mounting bracket on the ring light, you can see that it has a little ridged circle there, and inside that fits this little piece. So I thought the first thing that I should try is to measure for that piece and print something to check the fit, make sure that I get all the dimensions correct. I did a quick look with my digital calipers, and I drew that part out here, and that's basically what the first test piece looked like. And that aligns pretty well with this. You can see that these pieces snap together. In the next version, we're taking this initial part that we created and just adding to it. The challenge of this is that I wanted the two pieces to really be exactly alike, except one would be male and one would be female, and they would snap together. That fits pretty well there. But when I tried to attach this here, you can see what I did. This is supposed to go to the outside, and that measurement is actually the same width as that. So we need to make this a little bit wider in order to fit on that. So the third try worked pretty well, but again, it just wasn't quite tight enough. So we did some more adjustments to this, and I think we ended up with a final version. I was running out of orange filament, so this is actually printed in 2 different colors, and I'm pretty happy with the way this came out. Can put these two parts together. So I think that's enough for this video. This is day 13 in a 30-day challenge that I've given myself to post a video to YouTube every day in the month of September. And as always, if you have feedback about how I can do better, either with installing ring lights or how I can make better videos, please leave a comment down below. But for now, that's my 2 cents. Thanks for watching, everyone. Have a great day. Stay awesome.